Let me explain to you something completely insane. Can you imagine stepping into a 1930 ski resort, famous during its time? I wasn't even born yet. Fun fact, though I was overwhelmed to see such a beautiful tragedy of history just left to deteriorate like this, though I was quite determined to explore it myself, that I had to check this out. My name is John Yurei, and we are gonna step into this explore. What is going on, everyone? My name is John Yurei. We are going to explore this whole abandoned ski resort. I am so excited. I don't even know what to expect, other than the fact that I came here way back in the day, and we didn't get to film it, unfortunately. But I'm back here again, and it's kind of cool, just like seeing this place versus what it was prior. Oh man. Look at that. We have houses right here, here, and the whole resort right here to check out. So, fun fact, it is snowing right now. This is the first time I've seen snow this time of year towards the ending of the year. So like, oh man, snow is finally hitting. This sucks. It sucks, but it's just a coincidence that we are out here at the right time that is snowing. Like, look around. The snow just coming down. This is insane. And then you have the places. The whole ski resort from the bottom of the building all the way to the top. We're gonna be exploring all of that, as well as this entire building over here. So right there is a huge resort. We're gonna start off checking out this place right here, which is like a few houses. It could have been administrator houses or maybe rental gear houses. I'm not entirely sure, but I know this is where I want to check out right now. So let's go in, let's dive into this. So that was the lobby entrance we were just looking at. What's in this room, so? Considering it just rained, I want to be cautious of where I step. But rooms on rooms, oh my god. Look at how deteriorated that room looks. Literally just found a freaking porn magazine in here. What the hell? Straight up porn magazine on the ground. Earlier I was away from the guys. I ended up linking back up with them. And we're gonna go explore this next building. The second to the biggest building. We're gonna go inside there. We're gonna go check that out. This is awesome. Yo, Steve, when you fly your drone, maybe you come down to this window and capture this from the outside. Dude, this is awesome. This appearance. Yo. And it's just like this one chair, extremely oddly set up. What a unique one. So, upon our explore, we just ran into all these other explorers who are doing photos. Dude, this is sick. So it's like I was hearing, like, I know it wasn't crazy, but I was hearing voices like going off in this place. And I was like, I could have swore I hear someone. I'm like, Steve and Seth, I hear someone. And they're like, okay, whatever, throwing me off. And I was like, dude, I hear someone. So we got it confirmed. We found other explorers, which is cool. At least it's nothing like bad. There's other explorers, so cool. I'm cool with that. I'm dope. Guys, farewell everyone. Super dope running to you guys. Thank God you guys weren't like crazy people or anything. You guys all chill. Peace, peace. All right, so we're gonna get back. finalize up the content that we're gonna get. But oh man, there's a lot of exploring we got to do here. Whoa, this looks insane. So we just made it down to the big showroom. This is the area that I should be in. I always love auditoriums, you know, having stage fright, going up there doing entertainment shows. Damn, this must have been a lit freaking resort. This is awesome though. So, upon our explores in this place, we just found this wall. This is a dope wall. It's almost like as if you're in Egypt. Just look at how it looks. Huh. There's so much like architectural design to what this wall provides. Just tell me, leave me in the comments below. Tell me, what do you think this wall resembles? Shoot it below. What do you think it resembles, Seth?
It looks like, honestly, this is gonna sound super corny, but honestly, it looks like it's a message between. I want to put this.
It's all good. It's all good. Take your time.
In tandem with each other. Like you see how these horses are in a circle,
Right.
and then these people are lined up,
Yeah.
sort of in a way where they support each other. I think that's the message of this whole art piece.
Okay.
It's probably way out there, and I'm probably super wrong.
Hey, who knows? There's no definite answer.
Right.
Just use your imagination. Exactly. Art is objective.
Subjective.
I mean subjective. So, upon this adventure, our homeboy Steve has been so hooked with exploring this one thing that he's been wanting to see this entire time here. It's kind of funny. So chilly though, but I mean, other than that, Steve, we don't know where he went. The man was hungry. He sniffed it and he went to feast on it. So we're out on the hunt. Gotta go catch our dog, you know? Right, Seth?
Gotta go find Steve.
Gotta go find Steve.
Operation Find Steve.
Operation Find Steve Rohn. Let's do it. Whoa, that looks awesome. Oh my god. I'm really taking in the fall scene. I love the atmospheric feel of this place. It's honestly my favorite. So guys, me and Seth just got done exploring this area. We just got done the pool. Not much time flew by, but you can definitely tell the sun is starting to set, so here it is. That is the last place we're gonna head up, the skating rink. We know that there's actual good stuff in there, so we're super curious, we're concerned, and we want to check it out, which is what we're gonna go do right now. Right, Seth?
Right. Check that out.
We're gonna go check it out. Whew. This is huge. If you check out the outside, it has a triangle thing that goes up the way this roof is shaped. It's pretty dope. I think it's pretty sick. Whew. And look at everything else around us. This is everything else. And this is the place itself. So it was such an awesome experience coming back here and taking in everything, seeing the air, seeing the mountains in the background, the snow, the fall leaves, and a place like this. Like honestly, there's nothing better than coming out to this place at this time of year to just explore it and take it all in with this amazing just feel. Going from adrenaline rushes to feeling lost, finding everyone, meeting other explorers. It just goes together so good. It's everything that is inside this place. There are used gears down in the basement. We're gonna go check that out. Whew. This weather is really killing me. See, this is what I want to do. I stack on my content now. Holy. Yo, look at this. This looks awesome. My God. So, since this is a huge ski resort, that's like a furnace. Oh my God, this is all the used gear as well. This is a furnace that goes around. These are all seats that surround this place. So this is the official room. Contains papers, old papers, receipts, everything like that. Left here. Welcome skiers. Welcome skiers. Whoa, look at this. And these are different just labelers. You have gloves, classify yourself. Oh, this is where you get the gear and everything like that. Oh snap, so this is where the rentals happen. Take a look up there. Those are actual skis. And the helmets. Right across from us was where you get the ski rentals, but over here, this is where you get like ice skate rentals. Say if you want to get ice skating gear, you come down here, you can rent all this stuff right over here. This is sick. Even check this out. All of these rental gears. This is dope. More. Oh man, ice skiing is dope. I wish I could keep going, trying out more of it. The only thing is, I completely suck. Like I always fall on my butt all the time. Oh shoot, check this. Oh, we went in a circle. This is the same one that we've seen again before. Whew, that's sick. I mean, really cool checking out this place. Really cool just examining everything that we found here. But we're gonna head to the big building, I'd say. We're gonna do right now. I'm enjoying this experience. What a crazy one. Well, let's make our way in. My hands are freezing. I am so cold. I'm shivering. This weather is really in effect right now. Wow. Okay, here's our door. Let's do this. Huh, it's chained up. Oh my God. Look at this. It's crazy. Thanks. Oh my God. We're on our way to the second floor. We're only trying to find this one thing, so we're skipping all the way to the last floor. It's gotten too dark for us to even continue filming. So, we're just gonna keep going all the way up. Check out the blankets right there. In the chair. I don't know if I trust it for walking on this part right here, but oh my God, look at all that mold. That's definitely a closet. That's a huge closet. These are bedrooms. This is a really nice looking bedroom. Huh. Over here.